damn headlights are so bright. Look pretty damn good through sunglasses at night. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be getting right into the action. We're going to be putting Retrobrights into this 1987 Monte Carlo SS. Here's the Retrobright. This is just the old bulb, as you can tell. It's already got the new ones in it. You can see they look pretty much identical, but these are LED. So, first step, gonna put all those in. I'm not gonna show you how to do it. It's the easiest change in the light bulb. And then I bought the adapter kit here. That's what they look like. That way you can run all 4 high beams, all 4 low beams. This is my dad's car. I want to be able for him to see at night so he doesn't hit a deer with it. These are the splitters. This one I've already, no, this is how they come. This one I've already, like you gotta move some pins around just to make it work with that harness. Instructions, get rid of those. And let's get to putting these in. Well, I mean, they're already in. Let's get to wiring these. I'm just gonna give you a look at what we're working with here. Oh, nice voice crack. That is the Retrobright there, and then these are the factory harness. You could just plug those in, but again, I wanted to run the splitters, so we're gonna get all that installed. Same thing over here. Let's get to it. So using my multimeter, I just took this and I found out, we went and found this. Right here gives you what, right here gives you what wires are what, so then I just wrote down underneath what the factory wiring is. So in this case, the green is the high beam, black's your ground, and the tannish orange is our low beam. So then I took this harness, this is actually what I've already done. I switched these ends around, that way, because these, says right here that you don't have to touch this end. So I just matched these to the factory harness. So now I just plug this in, both ends, and these lights work. They do send you with shrink tube, so that way you just cut the blue off here because it's not used in this particular application. Put the shrink tube on there, and this harness is good to go. So now we're gonna make this one match, we're gonna make this one match this one. So it's as easy as, I put this in and just kind of saw like if I wanted to go this way or this way, just for tying it up to see which way went better. Duplicate this, so we gotta deepen this. You just press the little tab in here. Something like this. And I slide right out. Not sure how well you guys can see that, but you just press on that piece right there. Just press on this piece right here. I have no idea where that camera's pointed, so we're just winging her today, boys. Once that's out, you just want to make sure the little tabs are bent back out. That way you don't have an issue with them coming apart later. And in this case, we follow this harness. Red is on this side, and then the black is on this side. And that's done. And we're gonna cut this off in a minute. You can see we just matched that up. And then this one, we gotta repin the whole thing as well, so we're gonna pop all these out. As you can see, I'm just using a pick. Pretty easy to do. I'm gonna bend these back out. You saw how easy that blue one came out. I don't think it was fully bent, but we want to make sure we do this right. So So this one is actually wired slightly different, just because of the way the factory wiring is. This plug is different than this other one here. You probably can't see that, but this one, red's on the bottom, so red goes there. Black is on this side, and then blue is on this side. So you want to make sure you put this piece towards the center in these particular plugs. So just like that. Double check this work. We're good there. We're good there. These are identical now. We take this, trim that off because we don't need that one for this particular application. I seem to be saying that a lot. And then we just take this. It says to use your heat gun. And this is just a little piece of shrink tube. This here is a heat gun. It does make heat, don't come at me. Et voila. Just kind of show you this. This is just a little chart I made. It says all kinds of stuff, probably worth a read. I was only joking when I threw it. Now we're gonna plug these in. So I went this way. So you just want to match up your colors here. So black to black. Go this way. Yep. And then this one only goes in one way because it's 310. And then you just plug these in whichever way your wiring feels best, looks the best, easiest to tie up, whatever you want to say. I'm going to do the same over here. This one goes in here. Just want to make sure these are both the same because I have a little bit of OCD. All done. Headlights on. See, high beams, low beams are working. That still works. So put it on highs, we'll show you. And see just how bright they are. Just like that. Job just about complete. So here's how it is. Like, these don't matter, you could flip these around, but this one's a 3-pin, the other one's a 2-pin here. So those do matter which way those go, but I'm just gonna put some zip ties on these, make it look nice. Same thing over here, you can see it's fairly easy. And because we didn't change the factory harness at all, if for some reason you ever wanted to put the old bulbs back in, you just unplug this, take out your new Holley stuff, and you can plug your old bulbs right back in. But definitely would recommend these. High beam, low beam. All right, so here it is running. You can see that's pretty damn good. And we'll hit her with the high beams. That's about 75 feet, 25 yards or so, something like that, to the truck. I'm definitely saying these are a win. I'm gonna take them on the road and kind of see how they look. Definitely a huge improvement. Low beams, high beams. That is ridiculous. Those are the Holley Retrobright 5700K with the quad adapters to run all 4 low beams, high beams. Should be identical install as the round ones they have in the different size squares or rectangles, whatever you want to say. That's probably it for this one. Have a good one.